Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Descript Captions exports for better post-production, full guide step-by-step clearly. Open your Descript project. Locate the timeline where your video or audio project is displayed. Ensure that you have a completed transcript and that all captions are accurate. Click on the Share button in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Export. Choose the Captions option from the Export settings. You will see different formats for caption files. Select your preferred format, such as SRT, VTT, or others. Adjust any settings related to styling or formatting if necessary. Click the Export button to initiate the download. A progress bar will appear while your captions are being processed. Once the processing is complete, your captions file will automatically download. Locate the downloaded file in your device's Downloads folder. Open the file to ensure all captions have been exported correctly. You can now import this captions file into your preferred post-production software. If you need additional tweaks, consider editing the captions directly in that software. Repeat the process anytime you need new or updated captions for your project. This will enhance your workflow and streamline your post-production process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.